In this video, we are going to see how we can make the corrections in the customer balances or customer details if you have made any mistake and you wanna correct it. So let's get started. Now we are going to see a scenario where we will create a sample customer and we will put some transactions, in fact with the wrong balance, and then we will try to edit it or delete it, and you will understand the whole procedure behind it, that if you have made any mistake in the customer or you want to delete the customer altogether, how can we do that? So I'll go to this area, new customers in job, and click on the new customer. And here, let's say sample customer. And let's say that instead of 20,000, I have put 200,000 as a balance. And also the date is wrong. So I accidentally entered it. Now if I want to delete it, I'll right click and delete, but can we delete it like this? No, because it will show you the message that QuickBooks cannot delete this because it has a balance in it. So same case, you can make it inactive, but you cannot delete it directly. Now what if I want to delete it? You can see on the right hand side, you have all the transactions associated with this customer here. So you can see the transactions, you can edit or delete the transaction, and only then you can delete the customer altogether. So if you cannot see on the right hand side, maybe your transaction is set to something else. You need to change it from, let's say, estimates or sales order to all transactions. And also you can adjust the date to all dates if you are still unable to see that. Now, let's say I want to delete it. So I'll just double click here to open this invoice. If you want to just adjust the balance, you can simply adjust the balance like this. And let's say I want to put it 1st of January 2024. I only wanted to correct the date and the balance. That's it. So I can save and close this way, and yes. So the balances are fine. But let's say that I have entered the wrong customer altogether. So I want to get rid of it. So what I'll do is just open the invoice again, delete the invoice first, and then you can delete the customer and click OK. So this is how you can edit the details of the customer, make some corrections, or delete the customer altogether.